What's up guys, it's Narrated FPV with the Silver Owl flying wing to fly the first mileages with the Avatar HD system throughout different days after I fixed the OSD problem from previous time caused by a reversed UART connection to the flight controller. Since the previous flight, I also changed the detachable nose and beefed up the sidewalls of the fuselage to improve durability. The goggles display an update note after startup since both the transmitter and goggles still have their old and different firmwares, which most likely plays a role in the range and quality. I therefore increased the output power to the maximum of 700 milliwatts until I would update the whole system to the latest firmwares. Having done the modifications on the wing, I took it out to a nice spot and launched it in the evening sky. Flying out towards the lake took some time in the breezy headwind, which drove me to increase my cruise throttle to about 30 kilometers an hour at 6 to 8 amps. As you guys see here, the wing was about 3 kilometers out thrusting forward and was able to fly further than the previous 3.2 kilometers out on the first flight with the system. The bitrate would sometimes degrade in quality and strength but regains itself from time to time. From the 4th kilometer on forwards, I started losing the aim and RSSI towards the airplane with the Yagi antenna on the transmitter, which has a very narrow beam, causing the airplane to engage fail-safe return to home. Seeing that the HD system had still good quality but no radio signal, I knew I misaimed my antenna and tried to re-aim it in pitch and direction until I finally regained it at 3.5 kilometers and reverted back towards the other side of the lake. Then at about 4.2 kilometers, the RSSI started fluctuating yet again and eventually triggered fail-safe return to home, in which I accepted my fate and flew it back. On a different day, I moved to a spot further away from the lake and launched the wing into a mild midday headwind. At around the 2.5 kilometers, the bitrate started to drop and would momentarily freeze, but from previous flights and experience, I would move the goggles or transmitter in a way until the HD link recovers. I started losing my HD link at over 4 kilometers out, which I responded to with return to home. And after I regained my image, I went towards the lake again but further away from the right side village, which might have caused the degradation of signal quality. I was glad hitting my first 5 kilometers with the HD system, but couldn't fly further by me misaiming my narrow-beamed Yagi antenna again towards the plane, which ended up in failsafe return to home. At the end, I was glad at least hitting 5 kilometers with the Goggles L and Avatar GT, so I had more flights at different days in different spots, and had some instances of reaching almost 8 kilometers out. For even better range, I would need the latest firmware updates on both systems. These FPV trips will be shared and also compared with the Hawkeye HD system, which I'll be installing next on the Flying Wing. So stay tuned, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.